What if your child's distance isn't about you, but about their healing? For many adult children, stepping back into the act of self-definition. They're trying to discover who they are beyond being someone's child. It can look like withdrawal, but it's actually individuation. The soul's need to breathe its own air. When we see their behavior through empathy instead of ego, compassion softens the ache. So when you honor their journey, you both move closer to the truth, even from afar. Tag a mother who needs this gentle refrain and remind her, space doesn't mean absence. It means growth.